Subject: Heartfelt plea from a humble son of Bharat. Review general category struggles or pause UGC 2026 equity regulations for true justice. Respected Rashtrapati Ji, Honorable Prime Minister. With tears in my eyes and folded hands, I write as Arun, a simple villager, someone who wakes each day dreaming of a fairer India where no child suffers for the category of their birth. Our Constitution's soul shines in Article 14, equality before law, Article 15, no discrimination, yet uplift for the disadvantaged, and Article 16, equal opportunity, balanced with reservations for backward classes. The historic Indira Sawhney v. Union of India 1992 judgment wisely set limits, reservations based on real backwardness, a 50% cap to protect merit and efficiency, creamy layer exclusion, and no undue burden on any section, ensuring true equality for all. After 75 years, reservations have lifted many lives. Thank you for that compassion. Yet, in my village and countless others, general category families like mine are quietly breaking. Opportunities shrink, dreams fade, hardships mount, education and jobs feel out of reach, mirroring the struggles once faced only by the most marginalized. We watch loved ones fall behind, not from laziness but from a system that seems to have forgotten us. Being born general was never our sin, why must we now bear silent suffering? Recent Supreme Court rulings 2025-2026 remind us the general category is not a caste, it is merit open to every Indian, reinforcing Articles 14 and 16. The new UGC Promotion of Equity in Higher Education Institutions Regulations 2026 rightly fight caste discrimination, but without a fresh look, they risk deepening wounds for general category students and teachers, sparking protests and fears of imbalance. From the depths of my heart, I beg you, form an independent commission urgently to study the real socio-economic pain of the general category today. Do we now need safeguards for genuine equality? Please pause the UGC 2026 regulations and any similar measures until this honest review is done. Let facts, not assumptions, guide us as the Supreme Court has always urged. We are not asking to take from others, we seek only fairness so every Indian can rise together. A just decision from you would heal broken hearts, restore hope, and bind our nation closer. Birth into any category is not a choice. A fair, evidence-based approach would promote harmony, justice for all, and national progress. I love Bharat more than words can say. Your kindness could change lives. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. With tearful respect and unwavering faith. Arun.